Hey Wastelanders, this is Gary back for another unboxing. In today's unboxing, I have a knife from White Mountain Knives. Yes, this is a knife I've been looking forward to, and it's a weird one. But I've been looking forward to it because it's so weird, so it's so odd. A knife by Bestech. If you can see that, it's the lizard, and it's D2 black stonewash. I think it's naked jade scales, but I don't remember which version I got. Sort of green. I got this color. If I don't like it, I could dye it. So what makes this, can you tell what makes this strange looking knife? Is it this really weird kind of horn? All right, so this is a weird knife, but I like the weird knives. I don't know why this is, but it's really cool. It reminds me, I think it's supposed to resemble that lizards that, I don't know what kind of lizards that hang around the desert, but if you ever saw the movie Caveman, it's a really old movie with Ringo Starr and Dennis Quaid and a couple other actors. And they had a really weird dinosaur that had like a horn in his center of his skull, and they threw a pumpkin on his skull or the horn, and he couldn't see. And that I'll do a picture on the screen. It kind of reminds me of, it's like a side profile of that particular dinosaur. That's what it reminds me of. But anyway, I won't bore you with that stuff. It was a funny movie if you ask me, but I really like these scales. I like this. Is this G10? I think it's G10, but it's just a really wicked looking G10. Oh man, this knife is cool. I can't wait to review this knife. Let's see if it's drop shutty. I'm not. Yeah, it looks like it's on bearings. It's really oily. It's oily in the hand too. It's kind of drop shutty, but it's kind of tricky getting it past the detent. Yeah. I'll probably open this up and review it. When I get a little knife, I always appreciate the finger choil. I really like this knife. You know, I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I like little interesting knives. Oh, it doesn't have a lanyard spot. Oh well. But yeah, it has a front choil. Feels very comfortable in the hand. I feel the clip a little bit. It's probably too far out. Anyway. All right. I won't keep you guys because this is just an unboxing video. Looks like it's skeletonized in the inside. Yeah. Check out these scales. They're almost like glow in the daylight. I think the detents or the flippability is getting a little bit better. Flippability, if that's a word. Yeah. All right. Take care, Wastelanders. Bye-bye.